Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can clear and delete all browser history in Google Chrome, or selectively. That is, you will be able to delete your browsing history, and if someone goes into your browser history, it will all be clean. How do we do this? To do this, we go to the Google Chrome app, click on the home page, and we need to click on the three dots at the bottom. You may have them at the top, but I have them at the bottom. There's an item here, History. If you don't have it, then just scroll through and find that item. Click. Now you have the history of your search. You can click on Edit, select certain items, and click Delete. They are deleted, and now no one can see them. But also, if you want to delete everything at once, you click Clear Browsing Data, choose how much time you want to delete. For example, I'll choose Last Hour, Exit. We are warned that everything will be deleted. Click Clear Browsing Data. We are going to clear our history. Click Done, and we have no requests in our history. That is, everything is empty. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye.